The 2026 Toyota RAV4 arrives with a bold evolution of what has become one of the most successful compact SUVs in the world. Toyota has refined nearly every aspect, from its design language to powertrain dynamics, to ensure this generation holds onto its reputation for practicality, safety, and adventure readiness. The front fascia has been sharpened with a sleeker grille and more aggressive LED lighting, giving the RAV4 a sportier, more refined character. Subtle body creases and aerodynamic enhancements help improve efficiency while maintaining a rugged presence on and off the road. Under the hood, Toyota continues to offer a variety of powertrains. The traditional 2.5L four-cylinder remains for the base trims, producing solid efficiency and durability, but it's the hybrid and plug-in hybrid variants that steal the spotlight. The RAV4 hybrid delivers excellent fuel economy with a combined output of over 219 horsepower, while the RAV4 Prime, Toyota's plug-in hybrid, pushes nearly 302 horsepower, accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just around 5.7 seconds, making it the most powerful RAV4 ever. The 2026 model emphasizes comfort and tech just as much as performance. Inside, Toyota introduces a cleaner, more tech-forward dashboard with a standard 10.5-inch touchscreen in most trims, running the latest Toyota audio multimedia system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital instrument cluster is now fully customizable, and a new available 12.3-inch version offers sharper graphics and improved functionality. Soft touch materials wrap the interior, and more sound-deadening insulation has been added to make daily drives even quieter. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 is now standard across all trims, providing features like adaptive cruise control with curve speed management, proactive driving assist, lane tracing, and updated pedestrian and cyclist detection. It's smarter, faster, and better calibrated to urban and highway environments. Parking sensors, 360-degree cameras, and blind spot monitoring come bundled in mid to high-tier trims, making city driving easier and safer. Cargo capacity remains best in class, with a flat load floor and adjustable rear seats that offer excellent flexibility for hauling gear, groceries, or outdoor equipment. The rear hatch now opens faster and more smoothly, and a hands-free option is available in XLE trims and up. On the road, the RAV4's suspension feels more planted, thanks to revised dampers and improved chassis tuning. Whether you're driving through city streets or heading up to the mountains, the 2026 RAV4 delivers confident handling and a comfortable ride. For those seeking a bit more adventure, the TRD off-road model adds all-terrain tires, skid plates, and unique shocks to handle rougher terrain without sacrificing daily comfort. With a refined design, improved interior, cutting-edge tech, and multiple electrified options, the 2026 Toyota RAV4 solidifies its place as a leader in the compact SUV market. Whether you're after efficiency, utility, or excitement, there's now a RAV4 that fits every lifestyle, and it's ready to go wherever the road takes you.